Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to change the wallpaper of Windows 10. Okay, so there are two methods to change it. One, there is a method to download from the internet and then you can change the wallpaper. So what I have done is you can see my wallpaper like this. So what I've done is you can see the wallpaper like this. Okay, so I'm not using whatever the Microsoft company recommends. You can see I am using one from the internet. So to change the wallpaper, there are only some two simple ways to change it. So if I want to change it, I can show you how to change it. So the first method I will show you is how to change it from the internet. So if you have a browser or something, example I just type nature wallpapers. You can use a HD or a 4K, but I would say just take it in a standard definition. Yeah, so you have lots of wallpapers. Okay, I'll just pick one from them. I'll pick this one. Okay, so today another thing I wanted to share with you guys is that there is an app called Bing Wallpaper. I'll just pick this one instead. Okay, so I wanted to share this with you guys. Okay, so we have Bing Wallpaper with us. I will show you with the how do you do the Bing Wallpaper thing. So if you have a website saying, if you go to the Google and say Bing Wallpaper download. Okay, we'll say I'll uninstall my Bing wallpaper for the moment. I'll just show you. I'll just uninstall it. Wait a second. I will say uninstall for this. In future, I'll just tick this. Okay. Now it will just remove my Bing wallpaper, and we will have to reset it up. So this is the second method. Okay. Now no need to do anything. Now it's out from my computer. So okay, I've got the website Bing wallpaper download. So this is the website microsoft.com. If you click on this website, in just 6 easy steps, like you will get these kind of wallpapers. So you can set it up like this, and don't use Bing wallpaper as your search. Okay, so I will say install now. I'll just copy the link for you guys so that you can all install it. Okay, sorry. That you can all install it. So I will just copy and yeah. So as you can see, I've got the Bing wallpaper downloaded. You can say Bing wallpaper to set up. You can just minimize your Google Chrome. So I'm using this from the local internet, especially not from now. You can see my thing has gone. So pretty pictures are just the beginning. Okay, say just untick these two and you say install now, but untick those two options that were there, and now it will say installing. So it's installing for everyone now. Now as you can see, the screen went in some other. So this will not take a few minutes. It will only take 2 to 3 seconds, maybe about 10 to 15 seconds, or 2 to maybe it will take some time. Okay, now you can see it has come. So now if you click the finish button, as you can see my background changed, and say learn more. Just for some reason I'll just say learn more, that doesn't matter. So the website again. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now how do you change the wallpaper of Bing wallpaper, or do you want it to change automatically? As you can see, my system, my cursor right over here, the Bing wallpaper button is there. If you just click on it, you will get a pop-up like this, that you can actually change the wallpaper manually also, or maybe you can change it on its own. So it will matter with the package. So I like this wallpaper, for example. You can just set it as it is, so you can change it. Or my Windows is actually activated, it is not like it's not activated. So this is the new wallpapers that come, and you can see I like yeah, this one looks like a highway for me. I like this one a lot. So let us keep this for the time being. Okay, so now if you want to example, if you want to this thing close Bing wallpaper, you don't want to use the wallpaper thing. Again, go to the system tree option, you click it and you say quit. So now it has quitted, but you can't see the option in your tray anymore. Now if you want to again open Bing wallpaper or something, I've just quitted it for the time being. So the other way is to this thing, use it from the internet. So if I show you, yeah, I picked this one. I just saved the image as the Excel photo, let it be. I'll delete it after this video. Yeah, so as I've set it, you can click on it. Now it has opened up. Okay, so now if you say these three dots, see more option, you will click on it and say set as. So you have two options, lock screen or background. Whoever wants to set it as the background, they can. So I prefer set it as the background instead. Now you can see it has come as the background. So my laptop particularly doesn't support 4K, so that's why it doesn't work that easily. So that's why it will happen in some more reasons. Okay, so I can't tell, it is a bit correct only that what they can do, but my internet is not working. I'll just check once more if it will work or not. So yeah, now it's working. So now you can see the mountain wallpaper has come, but you can't unblur it. Okay, so now the other step is to prefer from the Microsoft company only. If you go to the taskbar and say, one second, I'll just change the settings because you can't see anything here. Now, if I say go to my search bar and if I'm going to click settings, you will go to settings. Okay, you'll reach to settings. Now, if you say personalization, click on it. Click on it, and after clicking, you have some Bing wallpaper options also. But you don't want to choose it, you can go to the themes option. So yeah, I forgot one more method is that you can get wallpaper from the Microsoft Store. So these are the four wallpapers that are preferred by the company. They are actually this one is the default. Now I've set this as my wallpaper. Now it will load, but the settings page will get hanged up. Now you can see it came back to the wallpaper I wanted it to be like. So we don't want to keep this wallpaper only. So now you have these wallpapers got in your computer. Now actually you can see these two, these a moment of Higi premium, night skis premium. Okay, these are not offered from Microsoft, they I have downloaded using the Microsoft Store. Now you have the Windows 10 flowers. So if I choose this example, that picture only won't come. Okay, it will be some other picture. You can see, yeah. Now if you right click again and you say there's a new option, there are two new options saying undo delete or next desktop. If I click next desktop background, it will come into that only. Nothing to worry about as such. You can again say next desktop background. If you say Control plus Z, nothing will happen. You can see actually it's nothing bad. And whatever app was there, I don't know what happened to that. But it went. So you can actually say undo delete again. Undo delete, that is Control plus Z. Sorry, that is happening. So right now again you can click on this. Control plus Y will again come back to normal. Now you can again keep changing the background if okay, if it isn't happening. I don't want this to be right over here, and you can redo this. Okay, same with each and everything. You can do whatever you want, nothing is going to happen. Okay, so the other method I prefer from the company is that only, but I don't know what notifications are coming from that time. Okay, nothing else. So now if I am going to prefer from the Microsoft Store, if I am going to go to Microsoft Store, that's not opening, I think. No, it's not opening on me. I'll reopen it. The thing is that if I prefer from the company, okay, I already put it in my search bar, so it will open on its own. Okay, so when it is opened like this, somehow you can actually do like this. So if you say Windows themes, create theme, yes, now you have this option. If you click on it, now you'll have options that you can get it from. Or you have an option saying taskbar to dock. If you want to change the taskbar of yours, actually you can. Okay, there is a way, but I like the taskbar to dock on. Doesn't matter really, but yeah, this app has a free trial, I think. Okay, so we have a free trial for this app. So okay, only for 59 minutes it will be there. Okay, now if you say it will be in the themes only, guys, nothing to. So the taskbar theme also can somehow be there, but let us say what are the reviews you should see, guys. But it says nice only, 1 star is the most actually. So it doesn't matter if you say over review. There are more apps also like Panther. They actually are only coming from Windows. They don't come actually now. If I say, let us say launch it. Okay, I'll say launch. Now it has turned into a dock. Appearance. Now it'll actually take, I don't know, I can't see anything. Okay, yeah, that was a thing. But actually, if you can move the taskbar properly, I don't know what happened. Appearance. You can say Big Sur or Catalina, maybe. And say and about, and let's say exit. If I say exit, my default taskbar won't come back still. So if I'm going to go and say colors, yeah, now it came back my default taskbar. So by the company, if you're going to offer anything like that, you can do it. So now after that, you will have these themes: Beauty of China, Vector Art. They'll all be there, guys. So example, I will say for downloading this Amazon Wildlife. Okay, so I'll download this. So you can do anything. It's from Microsoft only. So nothing bad about it. I like it the way it is. Not buggy after all. You own this app, you can install it, but when it's installed it will come into your settings mostly. Now I don't know why is it blacking out the taskbar. Now if you can see, it will come into my settings. I don't know, my settings is not working. I don't know what is wrong with the taskbar today. I'll just say settings again. I'll reopen settings. I don't understand, it's very buggy. Yeah, got it. Now suddenly I forced it. Now you can see whatever I downloaded that come off over here. Now you can see. So it has finally come, and if you click on it, it will open up. And now you can see the taskbar color changed. Now if I minimize, you can see the thing. Again, if I click next, desktop, background, it will change. So right now, as I've quitted Bing wallpaper, I will reteach you how do you open it. Okay, so if I just go to my search bar and type Bing, now it will come back like this. You say run as administrator. That is what I prefer like to be. Okay. No need to run as administrator. Now, as you can see, it didn't open. You can't see a window, but it's still in your system tray, guys. You can see. Now, you can change the wallpaper. Yeah, it looks very nice. You can say that it's a awesome thing. So thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye, guys.